Hello. Okay, so I really needed to do this video right now, and of course my neighbor is mowing super loudly and being crazy obnoxious. I want to move so badly. I love our house, but I'm so close to neighbors, it's driving me crazy. I want acres. I grew up on a farm. It's what I need. But anyway, so I apologize if you hear mowing or whatever, like weed whipping, whatever he's doing in the background. So I'm KL, I'm Black Status Presenter with Younique. That means nothing to you, so I'm not going to talk anymore about that, but just a little about me. I live in Colorado Springs with my family. I have two beautiful little boys and a also beautiful husband. You can usually find me being a hot mess. I have poofy hair because you know what they say about big hair. Today's headband of choice is my kiddo's favorite. I just did a tutorial on an eyebrow product and I forgot to wash it off. So, fun little thing about me, I'm always doing product reviews. So if you have a product you want to see reviewed, usually some kind of beauty product, let me know. I would be happy to take a look at it. Today I'm going to show you this amazing stuff right here. This is Epic Mascara. This is the waterproof. How beautiful is that? Look at those lashes compared to these lashes. I feel like lopsided because my hair is going one way and I also have eyeshadow only on this eye and it's throwing me off a little bit. Sorry for the lighting. It's pretty overcast here today and I'm a little raspy. So I just want to show you how to apply it because this stuff is literally, it's named Epic for a reason, okay? Apologies for the lack of most of my other makeup, but the waterproof has the little blue dot at the bottom, so that's how I know. Otherwise, it's pretty similar. It comes in black, brown, and black waterproof. Those are your options. I know you redheads like that brown mascara. Look at this, just super easy to apply. This is really hard to do because it's backwards for me, and looking in a camera is a lot harder than looking in a mirror. Not to mention, I'm trying to go with the opposite arm, but oops, I told you, it's so hard to do this backwards. I need to like flip this camera, but waterproof mascara, super duper amazing for people like me who have allergies or if you tend to tear up at random moments, or just if you have greasy eyelids. A little Q-tip out, just in case. Oh my gosh, this being backwards stuff is so hard, but this stuff is absolutely epic. And I used to use store brand, and I can tell you my lashes did not love it. Just a little backstory on why I started with this. I used to have chemo lashes, so I have lupus, and if you don't know, lupus is an autoimmune disorder where my body doesn't know what cells are good and what are bad, so it attacks everything. So, sorry, trying to center a little more. Basically, after my son was born, my body just went on attacking everything in my body. And so they put me on chemo, which what chemo does is it knocks out your immune system. So I was on chemo. I had chemo lashes. They were awful. They were sparse, falling out. Ugh. So I started with Younique for the mascara, and I fell so much in love. And I am still in love to this day, you guys. It's amazing stuff. If I could apply properly on this side, it would look the same as this side, but being backwards was a little hard. So just a little backstory on why I love this stuff so much. It is epic. I'm telling you, the greatest stuff ever. So if you want some of this, $24, message me or go to my website, lashesbyk.com. Super easy to find. I'll even post a link for you.